Hello, welcome to another edition of Ten-Tec Television. I'm Scott Robbins, W4PA, Amateur Radio Product Manager for Ten-Tec. And I'm here tonight with Stan, WD0BGS, who also works in the sales department at Ten-Tec, to talk about a new wooden case that we have available as an accessory for the model 1054 Regenerative Shortwave Receiver Kit. I've got one of the 1054s in my hand here. This is a 4-band regenerative receiver kit. It covers the 20 and 40 meter hand bands and the 49 and 31 meter shortwave bands. Band selection is done with these little buttons here on the front, combinations thereof. We have a tuning knob with a band spread indicator, regen control, and volume control. It's supplied without a speaker. You have to put on your own headphones and your own DC power supply. This is what the kit looks like from the back. You can see circuit board, pretty basic piece of construction. This is a beginning level kit that can be built by someone with no previous kit building experience. All you need to do is be able to follow directions for mechanical construction and to be able to solder. Not much to it at all. We also have a case available as an accessory for it. That's this item right here. This kit, the 1054, sells for $39. The kit case, also sold as an accessory, sells for $39. You can see this particular version has some knobs installed on the front. Those are not included with the wood case kit. However, the speaker, grilled as you see here, is included with it as well. You could, I suppose, stain this if you wanted to, some other color if you wanted to.
Right. Well, I'll just talk a little bit about the box, Scott. The boxes are all solid Tennessee oak, I might mention, and the kit is designed so that it will slide in. I have one here available like you would normally receive it. Here is the kit box showing the speaker and the front. We have the blue tape, of course, is for the little feet that go on the bottom of the cabinet. And those just stick on.
Cover the screw holes.
That's correct. And what you can do, I'll just show you here.
This one here.
I have one completed. I'll remove this. This is how that box will come to you, and then you just remove the bottom. That comes off, and then your receiver kit will just slide in. There's slots designed so that you can just slide that into your box, and then the bottom goes on after it is slid in, and you place the 4 screws onto the bottom of the cabinet, and it is finished. Now here's a completed box so that you can see what one looks like in the back. Now I've added a couple of terminals on the one I built for both the ground and the antenna.
Those are
not included with the kit. That is something you can design into the box, along with the battery clips. You can add those on your own to the inside and place them anywhere you want. We designed the cabinet so that you can really do about anything you want with the kit. These make great projects for youth groups, for young hams that are just getting into the hobby, also for Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts alike, church groups. They're a marvelous kit for a beginner to get started in shortwave radio. While we're at it, I might also point out that we have another couple of items that we also sell all built, and that's for the RX340 receiver. We make a matching speaker and the cabinet for the RX340 in a wood solid oak cabinet. These, by the way, are all hand built, so you'll have a real piece of heritage wood products when they're all completed and installed in your home. So it makes a very, very fun item to add to your existing RX340. We sell the speaker separate, so if you want to add that to your ham shack, you can so do it. It includes a shielded 4-inch driver. It's enclosed in a sealed cabinet, and it's just a very, very fine product. It sells for $179 for the speaker, and the cabinet, the wood cabinet, sells for $279. Scott, is there anything else you want to add?
No, I think we've covered it. I wanted to just show this one more time. Again, this little regen kit, the model 1054 sells for $39. The accessory case is an additional $39. We have both of these items in stock today. If there's anything we can answer for you, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 800-833-7373 or visit our webpage at www.tentec.com. For this edition of Ten-Tec Television, I'm Scott Robbins, W4PA. Good night.